In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wrike project management software. This powerful tool can streamline your team's workflow and help manage projects effectively. Let's walk through the basics together so you can hit the ground running with Wrike. To begin, simply navigate to Wrike's official website. Once you're there, you'll have access to their robust project management platform designed to make collaboration and organization a breeze. Getting familiar with this platform will be your first step in enhancing productivity. Now that you're on Wrike, the first action you want to take is to create a new project. Start by clicking on the plus sign or the button that says Add Project or Folder. This is where the magic begins. Name your project something descriptive that will be instantly recognizable to you and your team, like Website Redesign 2025. You'll also want to set the start and end dates for your project. Assign a project owner, whether that's you or someone else on your team, to ensure accountability. Once all those details are in place, click Create to set your project in motion. Next, you'll want to populate your newly created project with tasks. Within your project, find the New Task button to start adding tasks. For each task, provide a clear and concise name, such as Design Homepage Banner. Assign responsibilities by designating an assignee. This keeps everyone on the same page about who is doing what. Don't forget to include a due date for each task and a detailed description if necessary. You'll find it particularly helpful to attach relevant files or even add subtasks for more complex activities. Collaboration is key, so let's invite your team members to join your project workspace. Click on your profile photo located at the top right corner, then select Invite Users. Enter their email addresses, and they will promptly receive an invitation to join your workspace. Once they accept and have joined, you can assign them to specific tasks or easily mention them in comments to keep everyone in the loop. With your team assembled, let's explore how to view your tasks. Wrike offers a variety of ways to visualize your work. Choose the one that best suits your needs. The list view provides a straightforward task list, ideal for beginners. Alternatively, the board view offers a Kanban-style setup with drag-and-drop cards for more visual planning. If you're a fan of spreadsheets, the table view will feel familiar. Lastly, the Gantt chart gives you a timeline perspective of your entire project. Tracking progress is crucial, and Wrike equips you with several tools to do just that. Update your task statuses, such as to do, in progress, or done, to reflect real-time developments. Use reports to keep track of tasks that are complete or overdue, and create dashboards with widgets that display upcoming tasks of particular importance. The workload view is exceptionally handy for monitoring your team's capacity, ensuring no one is overburdened. Together, these steps will help you effectively manage your projects with Wrike. Take full advantage of these features to keep your team organized, informed, and on the path to success.